So we got the key to this fucking piece of shit right here. It is for sale. It's really fucked up, man. I'm not even going to go through everything that's wrong with it. It runs really good. The transmission shifts really smooth. The front end is just fucked. It ain't got no brakes. It's got no power steering. I don't know if it's going to start because it had a really bad parasitic draw, but I took the fuse out for the radio, and now it doesn't seem to be doing it, but it's hard telling. So it is 33 degrees outside and about 15-mile-an-hour winds, so I don't know, 25-ish. Hasn't been fired up for about 3 days, so we're going to see what she'll do. Yeah, she won't do nothing. I hate this fucking car. Alright, so I'll have to jump it later on. Probably won't be in this video, so I kind of had a feeling this would happen. So I guess we'll try and fire up the Crown Vic, and I'll show you guys that. Let me find the key for that here. Alright. Like April 13th, and it just snowed outside. That bird keeps flying into the window. So, this is a 1990 Cutlass Supreme. It's my brother's. I'll have to do a video on that sometime. That's a minty old car from Florida. This has been up in a St. Ignace for most of its duty. That spotlight don't work, but that one does. This hasn't been run at all today, so turn off my windshield wipers. Fired right on up. Like a fucking Ford, man. Thought Toyotas were supposed to be the most reliable, but apparently not today. Other than I can't say I'm real proud of the fucking modular engine under the hood. Those are a bunch of spark plug spitting fucking whores. True dual exhaust. I think that's only the P71s had that. Got that, come with the old 44 lever action. Well, that's about it. I don't feel like fucking around out here, so hope you all enjoyed it. Bye.